model, 2016 Peugeot Partner 850 Professional HDI starts runs needs gearbox repairing. Body, silver, panel van. Mileage, 112943. MOT, the 30th of August 2025. Engine, 1560 cc DV6D FAP-A. Transmission, 5-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Unfortunately, the gearbox is stuck in third gear, so will need repairing or replacing, and he starts and sounds perfect. Grin. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean. Genuine honest work van. Well looked after van. Features, 2 former keepers, EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.